Hey honey, give me a song.
Really?
Get it off the couch.
Oh.
Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Hey. Hey, you.
I got it on video.
You don't like the snow?
Oh, no.
No, you do not bite. No. You don't jump on my couch.
Name is John C.
What are you doing?
You don't. You.
Can you protect me more quietly? And so when he...
¿Por qué se hizo pipí? ¿Quiere que le dé pau pau? Pau pau, no vamos a dar.
I don't know where he went. Oh, Jesus, Spanky. Where'd you go? Spanky. Spanky, where the heck are you? Oh.
I got a treat.
Oh, he's cute.
Hey. Hey.
Parkour!
What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurting. She can't throw the ball yet.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Tugging on the... She's got a hold of it.
Come on.
Don't.
You wanna go for a walk?
Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Like I was from Greece. Do you know how that made me feel?
What else?
My.
What the fuck are you doing?
You bitch. Bitch. Bitch.
No bite. No bite.
Got it on video.
Jake. Jake.
Oh, watch out, kiddo.
Come on. Come on.
No, Mateo. No recio.
Say it. Say it. Say it. You can say it.
You fine? Oh, okay. You don't want to talk.
Because you bad as hell. Get off my couch.
Wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
Oh, my lips just get stuck in my teeth. Do you want cheese? You want broccoli? Broccoli.
He gets off the couch, does a spin move, and shits on my wall.
What is happening?
Didn't I just say leave it alone? Benji, stop eating that. Stop trying that.
You got a friend in me.
You know you ain't supposed to be down here. Better get your ass in the house.
Listen, man. Don't look at her. Look at me.
My dog saw me with straight hair for the first time.
Boy, it's me.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy?
If you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had. I know. It's crazy.